Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Nandito pala ako sa Central. Ayan guys yung building. Ayan guys. Sobrang ganda ng view ngayon. Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon guys. Ayan, ayan. Diyan sa kabila is Admiralty. And I'm going there guys. Hello. Galat na. So guys, I'm here in Central. I'm here in EIA now. Ayan, look at the view. It's super beautiful. So guys, I'm here in Central now. Look at the view. It's super beautiful now. Here, I'm coming here to go and attend Milo show. So, andito pala ako sa Central. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung pinakamalaking Ferris wheel dito sa Hong Kong. Yung tinatag nila na EIA. Ayan guys. Guys, I'm here at the EIA beside. So this is the view here at the seaside. Ayan guys, kung gusto mo tumawid, sumakay ka lang dyan sa ferry. Saan ko dito guys, magkuha ako ng video. So dito pala ako naglalakad. Guys, see you again later.